Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use a glider to land on fancy furniture. Start by visually confirming seating strength and clearance, then mark your touchdown zone with a soft indicator. Approach at a shallow glide slope and trim for steady airspeed, aiming to flare gently as you near the surface. Keep hands ready to brace and use small corrective inputs to center the landing. Practice low-risk drills before any real attempt. Build an approach that prioritizes control and a slow, smooth descent to the furniture target. Use a slightly nose-up attitude to bleed off speed while keeping airflow attached and avoid dive or stall. Plan for a three-point contact with soft padding on the first touch point and be prepared to roll or pivot if the surface shifts. Rehearse approach timing over safe surfaces until the maneuver feels consistent and calm. Touch down with a controlled flare that reduces vertical speed without bouncing on delicate upholstery. Once on the surface, use a gentle knee bend and any built-in dampers to absorb energy, and immediately apply small corrective inputs to maintain balance. If the furniture wobbles, shift weight slowly toward the center and use straps or anchors if available. Exit the glider methodically and inspect both the furniture and the glider for damage before repeating the maneuver.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.